In today's Roblox Studio tutorial, I'll show you how to add and customize a particle system to make your game look more dynamic and professional. First, open Roblox Studio and load the place where you want to add particles. Make sure the Explorer and Properties windows are enabled from the View tab. Now, select a part, attachment, or tool in the Explorer. Now click plus button and search for ParticleEmitter. You'll immediately see particles appear in your workspace. In the Properties window, you can customize how your particles look. Change the texture to use smoke, fire, sparks, or any custom image. Here I will add star image from my local PC. You can draw your custom image with transparent background and export with PNG format. Hit create button to apply. Now we have new particle image with custom stars. Adjust color, size, and transparency to match your game's style. I will set size to 0.5 for now. For transparency, you can set static number from 0 to 1. 1 is fully transparent. Example, if you set the value to 0.5, the particle will have 50% transparent. Another way to set value is using graph, by click on 3 dots button on right side. X direction is time life, and Y direction is value, from 0 to 1. I want my particle to become fully transparent after a short time, so I set the graph like this. Next, tweak the speed, lifetime, and rate values. Lifetime is the duration of a particle's existence. If you want to generate a random number between two values, separate the numbers by a comma. Rate value controls number of particles spawn. You may need to set rate value very high, about few thousands, to simulate effect like smoke or fire. You also can adjust rotation angle of particle. Spread angle define move direction of particles. Shape property is volume type. You can set it to box, cylinder, disc, or sphere. For more realism, play with light emission. Finally, let anchor it, so it won't falling down to ground and test. And that's it. You've successfully added a particle system in Roblox Studio. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more Roblox dev tips, and I'll see you in the next video.